Welcome everyone to this quick look at the Rane PERFORMER 4-channel Motorized DJ Controller, which brings advanced DJ features with precision controls and high-quality build. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this DJ controller at the best price. The Rane PERFORMER is designed for DJs who want full creative control, offering 7-inch motorized high-torque aluminum platters with magnetic acrylic discs and built-in displays for song info and waveforms, so you can scratch, mix, and perform seamlessly. The OLED pad mode displays make navigating through your cues and samples effortless while giving you a visual representation of your performance. One of the standout features is the stem split functionality that allows you to isolate vocals, instrumentals, and beats from any track when used with Serato DJ Pro, opening up limitless remix possibilities. The controller comes equipped with 29 fully customizable main FX triggered by paddles, for knob-controlled channel FX, and 16 multicolor pads so you can add expressive flair to your sets. The MAG4 Crossfader combined with adjustable precision feel volume faders ensures smooth and responsive transitions, making your mixing feel professional and consistent. Connectivity is robust with dual XLR mains, booth outputs, multiple RCA and TRS inputs and outputs, USB Type-B ports, and headphone connections, allowing you to connect a wide range of external devices or microphones without limitations. Rane's trusted solid metal construction, aluminum FX toggles, and industry-leading sound quality make this controller both durable and reliable for live gigs or studio sessions. While it is a premium investment, the performance and versatility it provides are unmatched, giving DJs the tools to fully express their creativity. Check out the link in the description below to explore this DJ controller, compare features, and secure the best deal, because this is a setup that can truly take your DJing to the next level.